Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sketch notebook. First, gather your essential materials. You will need a stack of paper, a sturdy cover, and something to bind it all together, such as strong thread or staples. For the paper, consider a weight between 60 and 90 pounds for optimal drawing. Your cover should be durable and slightly larger than your chosen paper size, perhaps by 1/4 inch on each side. Now let's prepare your pages. Take each sheet of paper and carefully fold it exactly in half. It is crucial to make sure your creases are very crisp and clean. Once all your pages are folded, stack them together, ensuring that all the edges are perfectly aligned. For the best results, use a bone folder to press down on each fold, creating a truly professional and flat page block. Next, we will bind your notebook. Using an awl or a 3-hole punch, create 3 to 5 evenly spaced holes along the folded edge of your stacked pages. Then, thread a strong needle with about 3 times the length of your notebook's spine in waxed linen thread. You can use a simple pamphlet stitch or a saddle stitch to securely sew the pages together, ensuring your notebook holds up to frequent use. Finally, it is time to add the cover and finish your sketch notebook. Carefully position your chosen cover around the bound pages, making sure the spine aligns perfectly. You can secure the cover by applying a strong adhesive to the spine or by extending your binding thread through the cover itself. Feel free to personalize your new notebook with decorative elements, a custom label, or even a unique drawing on the front. Enjoy your handmade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.